Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore some fantastic alternatives to popular software options that are not only budget-friendly, but also feature-packed. Let's dive in. Linux Mint instead of Windows. The exorbitant price associated with procuring a Windows license for every computer can become burdensome, particularly for businesses. This is where Linux Mint shines as a cost-effective and user-friendly alternative. A major advantage of using Linux Mint is the absence of any licensing fee. This eliminates the need to set aside funds for operating system licenses. Additionally, users won't have to worry about intrusive and sudden updates, ensuring uninterrupted work.
What's wrong? Seriously, auto-updating now?
In terms of security, Linux stands out, with significantly fewer viruses targeting the OS, coupled with the fact that Linux Mint does not indulge in data collection, like certain other operating systems. Moreover, developers often find programming on Linux to be a more streamlined experience. Customization is another strong suit of Linux Mint, allowing users to tailor their computing experience. However, it's not without its challenges. There might be issues with software compatibility, especially with certain proprietary programs. Also, for those deeply rooted in the Windows ecosystem, there will undoubtedly be a learning curve when making the switch. Google Docs or LibreOffice instead of Microsoft Office. While tools such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint under the MS Office banner have enjoyed their dominant position for years, Google Docs and LibreOffice are gradually emerging as formidable alternatives. One of their most attractive attributes is cost-effectiveness, since both options are available for free. Additionally, they offer commendable compatibility by supporting the reading and writing of MS Office files. Particularly, Google Docs stands out for its real-time collaboration feature, enabling multiple users to work on a document simultaneously. But it's not all rosy. These alternatives might fall short in terms of aesthetics when compared to MS Office. Furthermore, users new to these platforms will require some time to familiarize themselves. Draw.io instead of Visio. Regular diagram creators might be thrilled to discover Draw.io, a cost-free tool that operates primarily in browsers. Its two primary strengths lie in its no-cost model, ensuring users aren't greeted with unexpected fees, and its web-based nature, granting accessibility from any internet-connected device. However, its browser dependence also serves as its Achilles heel, often necessitating a consistent internet connection for a smooth experience. GIMP and Krita instead of Photoshop. Both GIMP and Krita rise as strong contenders against Photoshop, with GIMP focusing on comprehensive image editing and Krita emphasizing digital art creation. The array of tools they offer, covering basic modifications to complex designs, is truly commendable, especially when one considers the absence of any subscription fees. But this vast arsenal of tools also becomes a challenge for newcomers, potentially leading to an overwhelming experience. Darktable instead of Lightroom. Darktable, a platform meticulously crafted for photo management and editing, serving as a worthy alternative to Lightroom. Its toolkit, encompassing tasks from minor image tweaks to extensive color correction, leaves little to be desired. A standout feature is its non-destructive editing, ensuring that all modifications leave the original file untouched. However, its vast capabilities come with a drawback: a potentially intimidating interface for those just dipping their toes in the world of advanced photo editing. Inkscape instead of Illustrator. In the vector design realm, Inkscape emerges as a compelling choice, challenging Illustrator without imposing any costs on its users. Whether it's logo creation, detailed illustrations, or other vector-based tasks, Inkscape's toolkit can handle it all. Its open-source nature ensures regular updates and garners support from a robust community. But this power does come at a price. For those familiar with Illustrator, transitioning to Inkscape can present a challenging learning curve. DaVinci Resolve instead of Adobe Premiere Pro. For professionals and enthusiasts navigating the expansive world of video editing, the name Adobe Premiere Pro often resonates as both a standard and a significant investment. However, in this competitive space, DaVinci Resolve emerges as a shining beacon. With a comprehensive suite that encompasses video editing, color correction, and audio post-production tools, DaVinci Resolve promises a holistic approach to film editing. The ability to produce high-quality outputs makes it a sought-after tool for professional-grade editing and color grading. Adding to its appeal, DaVinci Resolve offers a version at no cost that retains a surprising amount of features. However, such comprehensive functionality comes with caveats. The software is resource-intensive, demanding high-spec computers for a seamless experience. Moreover, while it is designed intuitively, the sheer breadth of its capabilities means that mastering all functionalities can be a journey. Audacity instead of Adobe Audition. The world of audio editing and production is intricate and multifaceted, and while Adobe Audition stands tall with its suite of tools and features, Audacity offers a compelling and cost-free alternative. As an open-source software, Audacity benefits from active development and frequent updates. It's generously equipped with tools catering to various audio needs, be it recording, editing, or mastering. Its compatibility with diverse platforms like Windows, macOS, and Linux broadens its user base. On the flip side, where Audacity might fall short is in its user interface, which can come across as dated in comparison to other contemporary audio editing tools. Moreover, while it is feature-rich, there might be some advanced functionalities present in paid software that Audacity lacks. Blender, instead of Maya or 3ds Max. When it comes to 3D modeling and animation, the financial toll of software like Maya or 3ds Max can be a daunting hurdle. Blender, however, challenges this narrative by offering top-tier functionalities without the associated costs. It's a comprehensive suite, providing tools for modeling, animation, simulation, rendering, and even game creation. Being open source, Blender is backed by a passionate community that ensures regular updates and the rollout of new features. Its prowess is acknowledged in the industry, with Blender being used in a plethora of professional projects and films. But its vastness can be a double-edged sword. Beginners might find the vast toolkit daunting, and those transitioning from the likes of Maya or 3ds Max could find Blender's workflow distinct, requiring adjustment time. OBS Studio, instead of Camtasia or XSplit. In the digital age, content creation, especially live streaming and screen recording, has surged in popularity. While tools like Camtasia and XSplit have their niches, OBS Studio presents a formidable and free competitor. Its open-source nature ensures it's under the watchful eyes of a dedicated developer community, resulting in regular updates. The software's flexibility is commendable, catering to diverse needs from streaming and recording to exhaustive customization. This flexibility is further enhanced with the integration of plugins and extensions. However, with power comes complexity. Setting up OBS Studio to meet specific needs can demand time, and new users might find themselves seeking tutorials and guides to navigate its functionalities efficiently. To conclude, there's a world of robust software alternatives out there that can match or even surpass the capabilities of their pricier counterparts. The key is to keep an open mind and explore. If you've tried any of these or have other alternatives to recommend, please let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.